With Zylpha Bundling for Visualfiles, you can create document bundles directly from your matters in Visualfiles by using an add-in and a document bundle application type. From a matter, you can select the add-in using a quick step or a custom tab. That brings you to a screen showing all bundles associated with the matter. You can create as many as you need, from initial instructions all the way to the final trial bundle. Click Add to create a new bundle and take you to the bundle file. The file cover shows you the bundle description and the matter it's associated with. Click Manage to show the main bundle screen. Everything you need to create a bundle is on one screen. You can organize your documents into sections using the grid at the bottom, and then manage the documents themselves in the grid at the top. You will usually want to organize your documents into sections. You can create these manually using the buttons in the lower window, and the buttons allow you to add, edit, reorder, and delete as required. Bundling is supplied with basic templates as a starting point. You can build your own templates customized to the work you're doing using standard Visualfiles scripting to prepare hearing bundles, tribunal bundles, or litigation bundles. It's all within your control. Editing the section properties allows you to change the section heading and index color and manage custom numbering options, including omitting pagination altogether. Documents can be sorted automatically or manually as you prefer. You can add documents to the bundle from anywhere. Usually you'll add documents from the case file, but you can also pick up documents from related cases or from locations on your system. Everything is saved to Visualfiles history, so once the documents are imported, they're safe within Visualfiles. Because the documents are retrieved from Visualfiles history, the bundle you create will always include the latest version of any document. Documents are shown in chronological order by default. Click the Edit button to show the Document Properties screen. You have complete control over the document description. It's easy to rearrange documents as you need them. The document date is added from Visualfiles, but it can also be overwritten, or the document can be marked as undated. If Visualfiles is integrated with a document management system, such as iManage, you can choose which document version to use. If a file can't be converted easily to a PDF, a movie for example, it can be added as an attachment. You can also mark a document to be excluded from core bundles. If you need to include only a subset of pages from a larger PDF, you can use the built-in Split PDF function to extract pages and add them directly into a section in the bundle. If your users already have their documents organized using history categories, Zylpha Bundling can import the existing structure into the bundle using the Create from Categories button, giving you another way to make the process easier. Within Bundle Properties, you can choose how the final bundle will be presented. You can choose numbering styles, colors, and a variety of pagination options to comply with any requirements from the courts or clients. You can choose options for how core bundles are generated. The Font Sizes and Colors button lets you pick and preview the options for how text will be displayed. Advanced Settings has even more options for PDF security. The cover page can be generated by Zylpha Bundling, or you can use an external document. Parties on the case can be added directly through Visualfiles relations. Once all the documents have been added and arranged, the Generate Bundle button will gather all the files together, convert them to PDF if necessary, and then pull them all together into a bundle file. The new bundle is automatically saved to Visualfiles on the original case history. The generated bundle is fully paginated, with a cover page and a hyperlinked index, ready to be sent to the courts. Everything takes place within Visualfiles, so you're always within a familiar interface, and there's no need to export files to an external application or upload them to a web service.